Hello guys, this is R. Matthews, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make some sweet tea drinks with mixed fruit. Lots of exotic fruit that I picked up. You don't have to go buy them fresh, but you can buy them in the can. Just go to your nearest Asian store, or if you don't want to go exotic, go Costco. Get yourself some fruit that's already made. Make yourself some boba drink. You guys gotta try it. It's delicious. Oh, and check out the Asian store. I know a lot of people are afraid of it. Explore. It's not gonna hurt you. Plus, at this time with the pandemic, wear your mask and nobody knows you're shopping there. Alright, I'm gonna show you how to make it from scratch. Well, not from scratch. I'm cheating. A lot of the stuff that I'm buying already is canned. So a lot of the stuff you can pick it up at the Asian market. Just explore. Go out and try new things. Part of your favorite when you get these drinks is the boba. You could buy this online. It's only like about $10. And you have to prepare it. Cook it for 5 minutes on low heat, and then it's ready. So for the summer, stay cool, watch and see how you make these drinks. Okay guys, here we are. Pick this up online. Boba beads. You have to cook it for about 5 minutes on low, and then rinse it in cold water, and then you prepare it for your drink. I have this peach and passion fruit tea. That tastes good. I got this I can add with the sweet tea drink. Some basil seeds. This I picked up at the Asian market. Here's another one, passion fruit drink. I can add with my tea. Right here we have coconut, young coconut with the juice. Right here we have some jelly grass. A lot of people like this in their sweet tea mix. I have the lychee fruit. This is the one that looks a little furry, red. We have another kind of lychee fruit, but it has like a brown harsh shell on it. So it's two different kinds. They kind of taste similar. Got this famous mandarin orange. Costco, my favorite. I like to make it with smoothie with these, as you see in my other video. Here's another product they just came out at Costco. Peach strawberry lemonade, and it has almost a similar the boba. You can see it right there, those little ones. They look like little grapes. They're pretty good to put in your sweet tea. And you don't brew your own tea. This is one of my favorite, sweet tea right here. This is the main ingredients, what we're going to do for our drinks. Okay, remember on the fruits you have to cut it up, or for the fruit to go in, you want to cut something that size. Anything bigger, you're gonna probably hurt your neck trying to suck that up. Okay, let's get started. I think I will make this. Let's get a cup. I'm using, okay, I'm gonna try this basil seeds. That's your basil seeds. And I have the boba. Let's try some jelly grass. Let me dump some of the liquid out. Okay, here's the jelly grass with the lychee flavor, but I'm not taking the juice. I just want this. Okay, we have 3. Passion fruit, I'll save that for another drink. The lychee. Okay, let's try that. Let's open it. Oh, whoa. Okay, that's what it comes like. That's what it looks like. Get a couple. You're gonna have to slice these up because you can't suck it through a straw. And remember, guys, you guys put this in a Tupperware and put it in the refrigerator and prepare it for your next one. If you have guests, make sure you cut a lot of these. Okay, let me get a knife. Okay, here we have it. Let's move this back. Okay, you're gonna have to slice these up into straw size. I guess this is where it's worth it. Pay $6 for a cup for a refreshment. Okay, I think that will fit through the straw. Okay, that's all I'm gonna cut. Let's try one. It's good. I got some mandarin orange. I'm gonna cut some. It's not a smoothie, so I'm not grinding it up. It's almost like a fruit drink I'm making. Remember, I had all this in the refrigerator, so it's cold. You don't want to put warm fruit in. Okay, I have that. I'm not going to use a passion fruit. Okay, here we have it. Starting with the boba. Depends how much you want. Oop. By the way, the boba beets are made of tapioca. Okay, I have that. I want a little bit of the lychee fruit, a little bit of the orange, and a little bit of the jelly grass. Not too much. And my favorite, basil seeds. And then sweet tea is already made. Usually I like to make this one, but this one you have to brew it, add a little sugar, not too much, but if you like a lot of sugar, you can add a lot. Okay, get my tea. And some ice. Get some ice. There you have it. Oh, big old piece. Put some ice in it. And my favorite, press seal. And voila. Instant sweet tea. Instant sweet tea with boba and your favorite condiment fruits. Oh, fruit condiment. Let's taste it. Let's see how it tastes.
Run.
Oh my goodness. Can't beat that. Make it yourself at home. It's refreshing. And I'm R. Matthew, and I approve this message. It's delicious. Alright guys, I hope you guys like my video. Stay safe, out of harm's way, and be kind.